What's going on, family? Welcome back to OR Trades, man. First off, just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers, man. Thank you guys for showing up, subscribing, and showing love on the videos. Today, I'm here to go over another trade recap. It's super beginner friendly, and this can really help you profit day in and day out using stock options, trading SPX 0DTE. This trade we took, I alerted the channel, watching 38.32 on SPX and 38.30, as well as ES levels 38.57 and 38.52 for a potential bounce play. We trimmed at 40%. If you see here, 42%, and then the runner went for 80%. It was a beautiful trade. Let me show you how we did that. Let's get into it.
Look. Told my dogs that we won't starve again. I show my face in places I'll never show again. I stacked my chips and did it with no one noticing. Dealing with some shit I told moms that I'll never fold again. And it's on God, I don't like how they move. I'm from a city where they sharing every move that they do.
All right, so first off, we waited for a range to be established, and we waited for a retracement, right? So first off, what you do is you take your fib tool, which is down here at the bottom. You look for the percentage sign. You click that. Boom. Then you take that low up to the top here. This is on an intraday level. It's a beautiful, beautiful tool. You can use it, on smaller time frames to capitalize. You can also use it on longer time frames. But today and each and every day, I try and utilize this on an intraday level to catch a scalp. On SPX contracts, premiums can really pump. And you can really, make some money if you play it correctly. So first off, we drew that fib. We waited for a retracement into the golden zone. Here, we were looking at the 61.8. We were trying to see if we can get some buyers to step in here. If you notice on a 3-minute time frame, we come right to the 118 weighted moving average. Typically, this is called confluence. You usually start to see a bounce from that moving average. Now, not all the time. This could have went all the way down to the 78.6. However, when we started to see buyers step in and get a bounce, we took some calls here, and boom, we rode it all the way up to the top. We trimmed here at the 38.2 retracement level, and then the runner went all the way up to 38.44. This was a move from 38.32 up to 38.44. It was a beautiful trade. In most cases, this would be, you would see a new high, right? So a new daily high. So, you could potentially hold a runner to try to get above that 38.48 level, which was the top of the range we established. I did let the chat know the only concern about this trade is that SPX isn't finding enough behind it to get through that 38.50 psych level. So I was a little bit concerned about that. However, I stuck to my game plan. The trade went in my favor. One of the runners that I left ended up getting clapped. It's basically almost worth it. I think it's down about 57%, but it was free because I played with profits. I didn't leave my full risk in there. I trimmed the rest of my position up here at the top when I started to see this wick come in. And yeah, man, so that's the way you use the fib tool on an intraday level. I hope this video helps you guys. Please subscribe, leave a comment, drop a like. I love y'all, man, and have a blessed day.